Hello and welcome to the video. Today we will learn that how to place a logo, any logo to a t-shirt. So first of all, we will select the t-shirt that I have already downloaded, from the Google from. Click on the file and go to place embedded. Now I will select the t-shirt. Okay. So it's the t-shirt that I have already downloaded from the Google Chrome. Place it. Further set the size. I'll do it for myself and click here, embedded. Furthermore, I will zoom the screen and I will delete the background, we don't need it. We will further place the logo that we want to place professionally. So click on the logo and place it. I will set the size like this and set it here at the center. So what we will do is duplicate the t-shirt file by holding with Alt and drag it like this. Okay. Now we will select this file, go to filter, blur and Gaussian blur. With the radius of 2 pixels, I will click on OK. And further, I will hide this layer. After hiding this layer, what we will do, we will save the displacement file. Go to File, click on Save As, and here we will save the file with the name of displacement file. Okay, save it here. Click on OK. And further, we don't need this file that we just duplicate. So delete it. Now you can further convert it into some smart object. And by clicking on this layer, go to filter, click on distort, displace, and with the value of horizontal scale and vertical scale, set it as yourself. Click OK and select the displacement file. It will take some seconds, and further double click on the logo layer like this. You can set it by pressing Alt, and you can set your logo as you need it. Like I need it for this color. For it's blending, it will blend the logo with the shirt. Click on OK, and I will click Control and 0. So you can see we have blended the logo over the shirt very professionally. So if you learned from this video and you enjoyed it, so click on the like button and further subscribe the channel, and have a nice day. Bye.